Globalization and the Indian economy. Production across countries. Trade served as the primary means of contact between distant countries. It is influenced by large firms, also called multinational corporations, MNCs. A multinational corporation, MNC, owns or manages production across several nations. These MNCs locate production centers, headquarters and factories in areas where the resources and labor are cheap. It keeps production costs down and allows MNCs to make more money. MNCs locate production close to markets, where trained and unskilled labor is cheap and easily accessible, and other production components are also available. MNCs may also ask the government to take action to safeguard their interests. Interlinking production across countries. Production across countries requires investment. It refers to the sum of money spent on the assets, such as land, buildings, machinery and other equipment. The investment made by MNCs is referred to as foreign investment made with the hope of profiting from the assets. Over the years, the MNCs have expanded their business and have interacted with the local producers in numerous ways. Joint production. MNCs collaborate or partner with an established local business in joint production. The funding enables regional producers to acquire cutting-edge technologies and new and enhanced assets. Acquisition of local companies. Several MNCs purchase local enterprises with vast networks to grow their production. Controlled production. MNCs source materials and make orders with the local companies who create goods, resulting in carefully regulated output. The MNC markets the products under its brand name. Foreign trade and integration of markets. 1. Exporting enables producers to reach markets outside their native markets or markets located within their nations. 2. In addition to home markets, producers also have the option of selling their goods in international markets. 3. By importing items manufactured in other countries, some producers can increase their options beyond what is offered domestically. Globalization. Globalization is the process of integrating a nation's economy with the global economy. It is the result of numerous actions that have been taken to make the world more interconnected and integrated. It involves creating networks and undertaking projects to remove social, economic, and geographic obstacles. Globalization strives to create connections such that events in India can be influenced by those thousands of miles away. In other words, globalization is the process of individuals, businesses, and governments cooperating and coming together from all over the world. Globalization has been enabled by the following factors. 1. Technology. Rapid technological advancement has accelerated the globalization process. This has made transporting goods over long distances much quicker and more affordable. Information is now easily available due to the development in information and communication technologies. These developments made it possible for workers to be spread out across different locations and still be a part of a virtual workspace, which helped to fuel the IT revolution in India. Trade liberalization. The government imposes different trade barriers to regulate trade flow within international boundaries. Levying import taxes is an example of trade barriers. The process of liberalization involves removing trade restrictions or barriers imposed by the government. The government is said to be more liberal when there are fewer limitations. Trade limitations can support increased growth and productivity in a developing economy. However, it might be hazardous once it reaches a particular stage of development. Foreign investment policy. Foreign direct investments, FDI, refer to a company's significant financial investments in foreign enterprises. The investment can be used to expand a company's territory and establish an international presence. World Trade Organization, WTO. The World Trade Organization, WTO, was formed in 1947 from the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, GATT. WTO encompasses 164 member countries that regulate international trade rules. The goal of the WTO is to maintain a smooth and predictable trade flow. WTO also works to settle any trade disputes that may occur. Impact of globalization in India. MNCs have expanded their investments in India over the last 20 years. MNCs have expressed interest in urban sectors like banking, automobiles, electronics, soft drinks, and fast food. Many wealthy people like to purchase these items. These industries have created new jobs. Local companies that provide these industries raw materials and other essentials have also prospered. The increased competition has helped several Indian firms. They have raised their production standards by investing in cutting-edge technology and production methods. Some people have benefited from successful ties with MNCs. The struggle for a fair globalization. Fair globalization ensures that the benefits of globalization are spread more fairly while simultaneously opening up opportunities for everyone. Here are some steps government can take to make this happen. 1. The government can help small producers increase their output. 2. It can guarantee that labor laws are adhered to and that workers' rights are upheld. 3. The government can use trade and investment barriers if necessary. 4. It can bargain with the WTO for fairer rules. 5. It can also join forces with other developing nations to fight the wealthy nations' dominance in the WTO. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any additional suggestions or experiences you'd like to share, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future content. Stay safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.